How to fix on-stream buffering problem. So first of all, make sure your device is connected to a fast and stable internet connection before opening OnStream. Turn off your Wi-Fi router, wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on. Refresh the connection. Close the OnStream app completely and relaunch it to clear any temporary glitches. Inside OnStream, go to Settings and lower the streaming quality to reduce buffering. Go to Device Settings, find OnStream under Apps, tap Clear Cache to free up memory. Close all background apps running on your device to free up RAM and improve streaming speed. If you are using a VPN, try turning it off as it can slow down your internet and cause buffering. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and change the DNS to 8.8.8.8 or this for faster connection. Make sure you are using the latest version of OnStream as updates often fix buffering issues. If buffering still continues, uninstall and reinstall the OnStream app to get a fresh and clean version. Thank you for watching.